For the moment, the trend is to increase the use of electricity by reducing the use of other forms of energy. For example, efforts are being made to develop electric car technology so as to gradually replace cars with internal combustion engines, such as oil, petrol, or gas engines, with electrical cars. The reason for this is that we can now also produce electricity from clean forms of energy, the renewable energy sources, like the wind, solar energy, etc., that have a low environmental footprint with the aim of eliminating the production of greenhouse gases. The integration of renewable energy sources in the current form of electricity systems cannot exceed a certain percentage in each power system due to issues of system stability. Renewable electricity generation depends on weather conditions and is not stable. Therefore, there is a risk of system collapse in cases of large imbalances between energy production and consumption, as the electricity transmission and distribution networks are constructed in such a way that they cannot support such imbalances. Thus, in order to be able to increase the share of renewable energy sources, and ideally in the future to produce electricity only from these kind of sources, countries are trying to transform their grids into smart grids by rearranging them and through the new technologies and operating rules that can support this green transition. In this context, the role of each consumer in the future will be much more active in the efficient management of energy. With the changes that are being promoted and through smart meters installed in the networks and other technologies, in the very near future, users will know at any given time the consumption of electricity in their homes. In addition, they will have access to information such as the price of energy, which will not be constant throughout the day. They will be able to receive messages from the manager encouraging them to reduce or increase their consumption, or they will be able to participate in energy communities where they can be both a producer and a consumer of electricity. Besides these measures, there are hundreds of other measures that are about to be taken that are described in the white paper of the European Union for the smart grids.